Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to remove background noise from your videos for free. So let's get started. So firstly, we will hear a video like this is I create for demo purpose only. Hey everyone, this is for demonstration. You will hear in the background there was very noise, the fan voice. Now go to your browser. Here you will search for free online AI audio cleaner. Then go to AI voice cleaner. Here you will click on my device. You can upload. Then go to file is in over desktop. This and click on open. It will uploading your file. It takes few seconds to upload it. You will see. For this you have good internet connection. Now here you will select which you want, like remove noise or mute segment. Scroll down and click on mobile phone, then click on enhance media. Here you will see it will enhancing your video. It's almost completed, and now you will see here the video. Hey everyone, this is for demonstration. You will see the difference in hey everyone, this is for hey everyone demonstration. Both are different. Hey everyone, this is for no noise. You will see your voice become much clearer and easier to hear. Once the processing is complete, you can click the download result, and your video will be downloaded successfully without any complicated editing apps. This is the easiest version. So that's how you can remove background noise from video for free. If this video helped you, press the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and thanks for watching.